Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda Fit key fob here. It works for these models 2015 and 2018 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is you need to turn this fob like this to the back and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side and while you do that, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove the mechanical key, this here is the back side of the key fob, turn it like this, and this here is the side with the buttons facing down. Do that because you will lose them. Alright, and when you do that, here in the center between these two pieces, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here. Insert it like this, and now just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now when you separate into two pieces, right after that here, you will see your old dead battery. To remove the battery again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.